Hey everyone, let's talk about how to use Rover Repeat Client feature. So let me tell you guys, the Repeat Client features on Rover generally refer to recurring services or rebook tool for past clients. Whether you need to set up a consistent weekly schedule or just rebook a returning client, the process takes only a few simple steps. So if a former client wants to schedule another stay or walk, you can initiate the booking directly to make it easy for them. Just head to your Rover app, tap on bookings at the bottom of your screen. Once you go to bookings, tap rebook and select the pet owner, then edit the service dates and add a quick message and hit send request. Once the request is pending, you can adjust the price or details and select book it now to finalize. Now, if you provide ongoing dog walking daycare or drop-in visits, recurring services, book once and repeat automatically every week until cancelled. So for sitters, initiate the booking by accepting a recurring service request sent by the owner. The booking will indicate that the service repeats weekly. For pet parents, create a new request with your dog, walker, or sitter. Select a repeat weekly and choose the specific days you need service. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.